Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set your Honda Vezel clock. First, locate the home button on your infotainment system. This is your starting point for accessing all vehicle settings. From there, you'll navigate through a few menus to reach the clock adjustment options. It's a straightforward process that ensures your time is always accurate. We'll cover each step clearly. To begin, press the Home button on your Honda Vezel's display screen. This will bring up the main menu. Next, look for and select the Settings icon. Within the settings, you'll find an option labeled Clock or Time Adjustment. Tap on this to proceed to the clock configuration screen. This is where you'll make all your time-related changes. Once you're in the clock settings, select Time Adjustment. You'll see options to change the hour and minute. Use the plus and minus buttons on the screen to adjust these values until they reflect the correct time. Some models may also allow you to set the date here. After making your adjustments, be sure to confirm your selections to save the new time. After adjusting the time, press the OK or Set button to save your changes. Your Honda Vezel's clock should now display the correct time. Many Vezel models also offer an automatic time synchronization feature, often using GPS. If available, enabling this can keep your clock accurate without manual adjustments. Now you can enjoy your drive with the correct time always in view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.